President Emmerson Mnangagwa has declared that ZANU-PF is a party for all Zimbabweans, insisting it remains inclusive and representative of the nation's interests despite ongoing unrest across the country. Sanapita mashoko kudai nyuko na mtukamiri wenyika achiti ZANU-PF ndiye munhu wese akunyangwa unrest ikaitika, chaos, tension, malfunctions mubato ravo, asi anouya achingoti ZANU-PF ndiye munhu wese. You are free to come. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipira pana pamchenji radio mubudani kwa mchinzi. Speaking during the 883 ordinary session of the ZANU-PF Politburo at the party's headquarters in Harare, Mnangagwa emphasized the importance of unity and development under the ruling party's banner. ZANU-PF is a people party. We embrace all and represent everyone, he said. We are leaving no one and no place behind. Mnangagwa also took the opportunity to praise the party and the citizens for standing firm against what he described as foreign interference. As we continue marching forward, unity and peace are indispensable ingredients for national development, he said. I commend our party ZANU-PF and the people of Zimbabwe for repeatedly demonstrating that we will never fall to the whims and caprice of our country's detractors. Well done to you all. While the president's remarks projected an image of national inclusiveness, political analysts have dismissed the statement as political posturing, particularly given the backdrop of economic hardships and increasing discontent within sections of the population. The comments come as ZANU-PF faces growing criticism over governance, human rights, and economic challenges with opposition groups, accusing the party of marginalization and repression. Domashko arikuda panguva inoi achinokonzi mashoko toko nemutungamiri wenyika uyachikanzurwa nevanhu vanoonekwa panguva inoi kunzi aiwa these guys vanodescribwa sekunge vari kuita kuti inhuman, oda kuti zvavari kuita paground vachineglecta aiwa kuimprova maservice emunyika yezimbabwe aunyatsokuonekwa kunzi ari kuenda against humanity. Tudze mafungiro enyu matuviri pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.